right, man. I know why everybody here for. Me personally, from me looking on YouTube and seeing everything, I think I have the fastest stock time. That's been posted on YouTube. Draggy, it looks like I had the fastest stock time. I don't know. Now, I'm not saying I have the fastest stock time in the world, because there's other cars out there that definitely probably beat me. But from what I've seen, I think I have it. This is how I'm gonna do the video, right? I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip after I finish this little thing. Insert the clip of me going down the track, doing a few passes. I'm gonna say the times, and I don't want y'all having to watch fucking 5-10 minutes of the video just for y'all to see what I ran. And then after that, I'll probably just go down, break down, you know, with some things I could have did, you know, what I could have did different to make the car run a little bit faster. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clips now, and then we're gonna get into it. All right, man, so as y'all see from them times, the car ran 11. The fastest pass I had was 11.625, right? I think I actually have my track slips in the car right now. Kind of want to go over them with them, you guys. Nah, this is 11.7 pass, actually. I don't know if y'all can see that one. They're starting to fade. Oh, somebody car barking. We might got a race right now. Jeez. I don't know who car that was, but that bitch was barking. I don't think I have the fucking. Okay, here we go. We got one. So this, if you looked on the slip that I just sent, but I put on the screen, I believe it was 3 times or it was 2 times. It's one of the shows that I showed y'all. The 2 fastest times I had was 11.625 and 11.653. Both of them was at 122 mile per hour, and I'm gonna be honest with you, the 60-foot was ass. The 60-foot was, well, I hope I don't get demonetized for that. Or flag, whatever. The 60-foot was not good. As you can see right here in this slip, let it focus. Can y'all see? I wanted to focus so y'all can see. I think y'all can see it, but it's a 1.8. Hold on. I wanted to focus so y'all can see. I don't know why it's not. Hold on. There you go. It might focus now. This is very weird, and this is very. I don't recommend this. The fastest 60-foot that I ever got while the car was stock was a 1.89. If you ask me that was good, no. On the street, the car did not run that at all. Actually, I think I have a draggy that I'm going ahead to put in the clip right now to show y'all the fastest that I recorded. I had a few races on the street. Like I said, after I get done with this little section, I insert all of that, all my street races, everything I did on the track while I was stopped. Yeah, on the street, my 60 really never felt that good. For example, I give you an example right here. So with that clip, I just felt like, man, it was slow. And me personally, I never draggy my car on the street. I only did it once, and that's when I was on a highway. And I'm gonna put the draggy right there so y'all can see that. But other than that, no. Like the car, I didn't record a 60-foot on that draggy either. The car never really 60-footed fast on the street, not even the track. I don't know if it's just because the way the suspension is in these cars or how it is, but that's even me launching at like 2K. 1700. The car just never really, I don't know, it never really gave me a good 60-foot. So that's it's something that, you know, it just, you can't really avoid it. Unless somebody else has a faster 60-foot than me, I would love to see that. You can comment it, you can tell me. I want to see it. I actually do want to see people that's faster than me. Let's go over, like, for example, don't mind the reaction times that y'all saw. That's not what y'all need. But yeah, as y'all seen, the mile per hour was up there. Hey, these cars, that's actually surprised me. The mile per hour for these cars are crazy. And just so y'all think, you know, I'm not in no premium or anything, I'll go ahead and give y'all my sticker tag. I want to show some of y'all. The car was also on a full drag pack, meaning front runners, you know, rear drag pack. It was on the Mickey Thompson tires all around. It was fully gutted. As you can see right now, I do have my front seats in, but my back seats, can you see that? No, you can't. The back seats are out. So the back seats just stay out on this car. It's a Mustang, bro. You have no space back there. But other than that, like I said, the car stayed pretty much gutted. The front seat came out when I raced. Pump gas because of course it's stock. That's really pretty much about it. Besides I raced, the car does have a few modes that I will go over and show y'all, but other than that, I didn't really do too much. And that's what I did say I needed to show y'all my thing so that haters won't talk they shit. Let me see. I think I can do it like this. Yeah, so as y'all see, here y'all go. Let me see where it says the year. Okay, so it doesn't say the year, but it does say, as you can see, 10-speed automatic. I think it shows y'all, but y'all see it, man. 10-speed automatic. It had 8,000 miles when I bought the car. It says Mustang GT. That's the main thing I want to show y'all so nobody knows it's a premium Mustang GT. Because honestly, when I first got the car, it looked very weird, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over that so y'all can see what I was talking about. So, you know, most regular base models don't have this screen, and even with this car, I have a lot of features in here as far as, you know, drag mode. You got track, drag strip, and snow wet. You do know most base models do not come with that, so that was very confusing. Let's take a look at the outside of the car. All right, so here goes my 2019 Mustang GT. As you can see, you got the bigger brakes in the front and the rear brakes, the smaller ones in the back. You know, the little baby brakes nobody really cares about. But this was to go over it, man. It was nothing too special. Like I said, it was on a full drag pack when I first did my pass down Bullets Creek, Maryland International Raceway, and made my 11625. But this is how the car came. Like I said, it was fully gutted. As you can see, like I said, everything is pretty much out this car. Only thing that stays in there is just the passenger seat, you know, for my passengers, of course. Gotta keep your lights off, sorry, man. Stay safe, man. COVID around here. I don't want nobody getting dangerous. Y'all got your, you know, wipes and your fire hydrant. You know, if it's a race car, you gotta keep it. You know, it's a Mustang, so you gotta keep your jack stands and this joint tools. You gotta keep all that, man. It's a Mustang. These bitches break down and my car smoked up on me before. Like I said, other than that, man, it was nothing too special. I got my Mickey Thompsons right now, but we're gonna go over this car a little later date. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a review. You know, my mods, I'm gonna pop the hood for some of y'all, you know what I mean? Because everybody wants to see the hood. But I can go a little bit more detail pretty much on my passes and what I did to make that 11625. Alright, man, so let's go into detail now that I have all y'all here and everything was ready. So for most of my passes when I was at the track, as y'all did see, I had my tire PSI. That's probably the main thing. So when it came to the rear PSI, I either put them on 16 or 18 at the track. But most of my passes that I made that pass was on, I believe the rear PSI was 16, and the front, I usually put them at either 30 to 40, between that range. Honestly, some of you guys might have to figure out what range I would like for your car, but I believe mine was 32 in the front and then 16 in the rear. That was my setup for that pass. So let's take an inside look at how I made it. So of course, I was told differently, but when I raced my car, when I did mine, I had put my car away in S mode, you know, sport mode. The car is sitting in sport. So like I said, I have heard this differently. I tried different modes. I put my car in drive before and I put my car in sport. Me personally, my car always ran faster when I put it in sport. We all have different opinions. So before y'all start all that talking in the comment section, this is just me. This is how I made my passes. What I would do is take your modes and go all the way over to drag strip, right? Drag strip, your traction is not off yet. It's like, I don't know what's going on. So whatever you do, just hold this and hold it. Whenever you hold it, you'll see your light come on. Just like that. When it's on, you release the button, press OK, and you're good to go. So after you do your little burnout, you know, of course, as most of you guys tell you, do your burnout till you start seeing smoke come up. Once the smoke come up, walk it out. Now, I'm not going to show you how to walk it out. Most of my videos, matter of fact, I got a video right here that I'll insert to show you how you can walk it out. So that's all you got to do, pretty much, you know, just kind of drag it out after you burn out. What I did was, as you can see in the dash, I think my dash is too, yes, I'm gonna brighten it up, okay. So y'all should be able to see it now. I don't like driving around, you know, during the nighttime with a bright ass dash. I'm sorry, it just hurts my eyes. But most of my passes, I did a 1500 launch. So you would just get it up to about here. Foot on, as you can see down there, foot on the gas, foot on the brake, and build it up. Hold on. So build it up to about right here. Once you got it right there, hold it and just launch. Now, I'm in a spot, so I can't really launch for y'all, but that's how I want you to do it. You can also try 1700. 1700, I tried that too. Build it up. There you go right there. Hold on, my bad. I'm trying to build it up a little more. There you go. Once you right there, launch. And then you go. Let it go. Floor it. See how the car ride. Let me know what y'all think. I never tried a 2000 RPM launch, only because on the street, my car spun bad. So, like I said, that's mainly up to y'all on how y'all decide to go about your car. But for my preference, I keep hearing shit in the fucking woods. I'm not gonna lie, this is getting very sketchy out here, and I'm thinking I'm about to leave soon. I don't know what is going on. Okay, bro, I just think they animals. Whatever. Forget the case. Let's get back to on track. Yeah, most of my passes, even on the street, I did a 1500 launch or I did a 1700 launch. Anything else, I did not try to attempt. If you launch harder, you know, there's a chance you can make, you know, you can launch better. But on the track, main reason I didn't launch hard because I heard these cars can break rear half axles. Half shafts on the track. I heard our half shafts are trash. Now, me personally, the car is modded right now, and I have not broke anything. So, well, I have broke my trans, but I haven't broke my axles. So we just gonna pray that don't happen because I don't feel like spending any more money on this car. So yeah, like I said, guys, if y'all got any more questions, let me know. But this will become to like a little serious. I think I'm gonna just start posting about the car, showing y'all like my little runs and races and everything like that. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. And like I said, next video I'll probably go over a few things. Or might be my races next posted, or you know, just a mod list to show y'all what's done to the car. Pop the hood a little bit, give y'all, you know, a little bit of detail. But other than that, man, I'll probably post a few more videos in this clip as far as all my races and everything, and we'll go from there. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, man, and more videos on the way. See y'all later.